The only difference is with copper, and why I don't think it might be as much of a benefactor than maybe even something like gold and silver with these commodities that are benefiting from all these, this money flowing in, is because it's hard to store copper unless you're actually buying copper from a commercial standpoint. It's not like the average investor or one of my clients can store tons of copper in their basement, unlike gold and silver, where they can actually buy silver coins or gold bars and invest hundreds of thousands of dollars and only have this much of it in their basement. So that's the only difference, is outside of the commercialization of it. Individual investors can obviously own it through futures or ETFs, but I know a lot of money is invested in the physical holding of these commodities like gold and silver. So that's one caveat where I don't think money's going to flow to it as much.
I mean, that's an interesting point you make there. And I also think that when it comes to, say, silver, gold, titanium, platinum, palladium, a lot of those have been also benefactors of people really voting against fiat money. They don't trust governments. They don't like to see the debt. There's a lot of debt out there. So I don't know how many people are going to pile into copper because of those reasons. They're piling into the things that have got value, like palladium, platinum, and gold and silver, just because they don't trust any of these governments to. We just talked about it in the last segment, but nobody really cares about stopping their spending, right?